They said there's a twinkle in your eye when you look at me. They can tell how much you love me. That you try to come off as gruff and rough, but they can see right through you. So you can drop the facade. It's not working. And Clint Eastwood loved interior design. I guess he still does.
Well, so do I, but he's still gruff and tumble.
But it just goes to show gruff guys can have a sweet feminine side too.
I'm not feminine.
I'm not calling you a girl. Look, guess what?
How much did this cost me?
It didn't cost you anything. Look, I asked everybody which video they wanted to see next. And guess which one won?
Cooking with Granny.
Hands down, Cooking with Granny won.
Because we love Granny.
We love Granny. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I love Cooking with Granny.
You ready for us to go film another one?
I'm ready to sample it.
Maybe I should let you and Granny get in the kitchen and cook.
Nope.
Why? Why? Because
I can keep up the cameras.
Tell them how it is when I'm filming a video with Granny.
Granny.
I don't think they understand what I go through.
Granny has...
one speed.
And it's wide open. You need to know.
Yes.
Now, she can outrun anybody else in the kitchen. I ain't putting her on the street. We ain't running a 40-yard dash.
Right.
But I'm telling you, in the kitchen, Granny knows how to run it.
But does she cooperate with me when I'm trying to get these cooking
Not
videos?
at all.
And I'm trying to make her slow down so you can show what...
She's got a goal in sight, and she is going to finish that goal.
And how many cameras do I have on her trying to at least get something, some sort of footage?
It can be 3, 4.
I never had 4, but I've had 3. If I had your phone, it'd be 4. I might
Well, you
use
could
yours.
take a little iPad and do 4.
I do have a little iPad.
Oh, I didn't mean to look at you. I was glistening. My eyes were glimmering.
I had the little iPad, the big iPad, and my phone.
Okay.
All right, so you ready to let's start working on my next project?
Nope.
Please?
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
Pretty please?
I can't look at you.
Why? You don't want him to see that little...
I don't want to see that glimmer.
I told him, one lady said that we remind her of her and her husband. She said, except my husband probably wouldn't ever get on the camera. You know what I told her?
James doesn't want to.
I said, I have my ways. And I give him a little wink. I just annoy him till he gives in. Right?
That's it.
Yeah.
Or either she holds me down.
Let's see that glimmer. Come on, let's see the glimmer. All right, so I have come up with, I'm kind of glad y'all voted for Granny because I have come up with something else I want to do to the bathroom before I reveal it.
Oh, Lord.
I've come up with an idea that, but it's going to require this one right here to make it for me.
I am not participating.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes. Please. So, I'm going to try to get him to let's work on that.
This is not a good idea.
Why? It is a good idea.
It's not a good idea.
It is a good idea. And it's different, and I want to try it. And if it don't work, oh well, it don't work. But if it does work, I'm be a genius. So, it's probably going to work because y'all know I'm a genius.
Oh, Lord.
Anyway, so I'm really glad that Granny won out because I want to get that done before I reveal the bathroom. So, yeah. So now I'm fixing to...
And Granny is a sweetheart. Y'all need to know.
Oh, y'all, she is a hoot. We just have so much fun when we go up there and visit her, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I pick on her because, you know, she loves James. And she tells me that something happens to me and James, he ain't going nowhere. I'll be the one that has to leave.
Oh,
Can you believe she says that?
gotta love Granny.
I'm right here.
Granny is a sweetheart.
Anyway, I'm fixing to get up and help James out in the garage. We're fixing to make me a frame.
Not tonight.
No, you told me you would when I cooked dinner, that you would get out there.
No, you said I would when you cooked dinner.
You told me when I got in. Oh, don't make me call RJ. Because he's my witness. However, he'll probably side with you.
You call somebody. Morris Bart or something.
Anyway, I guess I'm going to get up. I need to steam mop the bedroom and bathroom. I hadn't done that yet.
Y'all, there are a few hearts in this world that is as sweet as Granny. Okay?
Are we back to Granny now?
Yes. I want to know. There are few hearts that are as true and sweet as Granny. That's why I love her. That's
where I get it from. There's that glimmer. That's where she raised me. That's where I get it from. What, are you having an attack? We gotta go quick.
We got plenty of fertilizer.
Buster, but he even had something to say about that.
Mm-hmm.
Buster, do you love going to Granny's? You love to go to Granny's house? Do you have so much fun when you go see her? Does she spoil you? Yeah.
Granny loves everybody, huh? Yeah.
Okay. You got anything else you want to add? Okay. Do you love Mama?
Love Mama bunches.
Do you love Daddy?
Not as much.
But who's your favorite? Is Mama your favorite? Oh, you can't even answer that one, can you? Your favorite's whoever takes you out all the time?
Yep, he's got to go.
All right, so I had some of y'all want to know, how the steam mop works, because for whatever reason, when I got it, I just showed it to y'all, but I didn't like demonstrate it. So I'm fixing to steam mop my bathroom floors, and so I thought I would show y'all how this one works. So let me get it plugged up. Okay, when you plug it up, okay, so once you plug the steam mop up, this light will blink. And it will blink for about 30 seconds. And then on my steam mop, because I have the ceramic tile floors, I will hit this button, which is the power button, and then I will hit this button. And I think this button would be like if you have more fragile floors, but because I have tile, I can use this. So we're gonna let this blink. See how it's stopped now? Now I will hit the power button and this steam button. And you hear that? Now it's ready to use. And then literally all you do is just mop. And it is just steaming those floors clean. And what I like about this is because in my bathroom, this is where I do my hair in the mornings. So, look at all that. So all that sticky buildup of the hairspray. And this right here is where I have the most hairspray buildup. And no matter what I mopped with, it never seemed to get it up. But I have a feeling this is gonna work. so good with that little fragrance disc in it. I can smell it. And it just smells so nice and clean. It's not overpowering. It's just a nice smell. And y'all, it is just that simple. And I know y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but this doesn't hurt my back as bad as like with my Swiffer, because I'm literally just having to glide it. I'm not having to like really put any elbow grease into it. It's just doing all the work for me with the steam. It's just doing the work for me. And I just love that. And that's it, guys. And then I'll just power it off. And that's it. It really is that simple. And I just love it. The little fragrance disc, I'm going to show you where it goes in this one. This little pocket right here is where you will see that little fragrance disc in there. It comes out, you put the little disc in there, slide it back in, and that's it. So this is the Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe. This is new to me. This is the first and only one I've ever owned, so I can't say if it's the best or if there's any better out there. But for me, it's working perfectly and it's doing what I want. So yeah, I just thought I'd show y'all, give y'all a little demonstration, because I did have some people ask about that. So there you go. I wanted to tell y'all something. Guess where James is at? He's in the garage making my frame. He's such a sweetheart. I just thought it was so funny. I was like, honey, you really don't have to fool with that tonight. I was just bragging you and giving you a hard time. He was like, nice, I don't mind. So yeah, he's, I had a picture in my bedroom that was a gorgeous picture. I love the picture, but I'm not crazy. I wasn't crazy about the frame. So, he's gonna make me a new frame for it, and then I'm gonna stain it, and I think it's really gonna like jazz it up and make it look, I don't wanna say, it's just gonna make the picture, because it is a gorgeous picture. But yeah, so I just thought that was funny that he wasn't gonna do it, but where's he at? Y'all can't tell him I said that, because then he will be like, see how it is. It's our secret.